Hello everyone, I'm Paul, and on today's video we're going to continue with the stump here. As you see, I had just taken a piece off. If you just look on this side here, what I had done is I chopped for a while with the axe, and then at the very bottom here I just took the chainsaw and I did a little bit of a cut, and I ripped out that piece. So my plan basically now has changed just a slight bit. I'm going to reduce the amount of time that I'm doing chopping. And what I'm going to do is I've got the little shovel here. You can see there's lots of dirt in between the crevices here in the stump. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean as much of the dirt out as I can. I'm going to peel some of the bark off. Then I'm going to take my water system and I'm going to spray the stump down. Clean up as much as the dirt as I can. Then I'm going to bring the big chainsaw in and I'm going to try and make cuts, sectional cuts. And then I'm going to try and rip the stump apart. They'll save me a lot of chopping time. I don't mind to chop, but it just takes a long time. And this is the first of 3 stumps this size, so I got to get them done. guys, that big stump is finally out. This is one of the chunks that I got earlier off of it. The other one's over on the other side here. We'll just take a look over here. Here's some of the other pieces that came out of there as well. So it's nice to finally get that thing out. There was a lot of hand shoveling, a little garden shovel I used quite a bit, a lot of chopping to get underneath it. That I didn't. These are things I didn't show a lot of, or very minimal that I showed in the video. I just showed a little bit because it did take a lot of time to do those things, and I didn't want to bore anybody with that. So anyways, the next thing for me to do is just wrap a chain on that thing because it's quite heavy. You've seen I had a little trouble trying to get a good grip on it to roll it over because of the weight of it. I'm going to wrap a chain of it around it, then I'm going to pull it right out of there, and I'm going to discard all the stump parts, just throw them in the bush. Anyways guys, it was a real fun task for me. I loved this kind of stuff. I enjoyed all the tools that I use, and I enjoyed the time out in the forest. So hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Jellin Outdoors.